personally, I've really enjoyed the chat with you. I've enjoyed my beer, and
Yes.
thanks for hosting me. I've got a final question, and it's going to ask you to look into your crystal ball and tell me what you think the future holds for Clenaware with additive. Where do you see it going, and how would you like it to develop?
We'd like it to develop into more products and more parts.
Yeah.
We are very keen on the metal aspect
Okay.
of what the Markforged systems do. So for us, moving into metal printing, I think, is a natural next step eventually. The more that we can design for 3D printing, I think the more control we have as a business. I currently have over 90 suppliers.
Yeah.
Now, although 75% of what is in our machines is made to our design, so it's coming out of our own tooling or our own design, I'm still reliant on a lot of suppliers, you know, to get us those parts made. And
it's a lot of checks to write.
Yeah, because you can't do everything yourself. You can't do all of the rotational moulding and all the back forming and all the metal bending and all of that in one place. So you're then reliant on other people. If I don't have one part, I can't build a machine. And if I can't build a machine, I can't sell a machine. So the more of that we are in control of, then the better our business will serve our customers ultimately. And I think 3D printing gives us that ability. You know, and also to service, you know, clients further afield. I think we've spoken about, you know, we have distributors in Ireland and other countries, you know, and wouldn't it be great if, you know, we could give them a 3D printer and
print from here to them.
Yeah, and when they order parts, yeah, you know, they come in the next morning and those parts are there available to them on the print bed.
That'd be great, wouldn't it? You know, that's the way the world's going. It's going to be not only new product, not only R&D, but spares is a huge justification. Not having to keep an inventory, a physical inventory of 10 different variants, but keeping a digital inventory of all those variants and printing them in situ, on demand. And I think we're going to see that as the world progresses. So, yeah, great stuff, Richard. Thank you. It's been really great seeing you. Cheers, and thank you very much. And
cheers.
Cheers.